Welcome back. Let us continue. First question. A and B can cover a 200-meter race in 22 seconds and 25 seconds respectively. When A finishes the race, then B is at what distance from the finishing line? Okay. So this is the track. 200 meters is the distance. A finishes in 22 seconds and B finishes in 25 seconds. Okay, they are asking when A finishes the race, that is when A has reached here, at what point B is trailing behind. They are asking this distance x. Okay, now let us find out. Let the speed of A is equal to distance traveled by time taken. That is distance is 200 meter divided by time taken 22 seconds. This is in meter per second. Similarly, speed of B, this is equal to distance by time taken 200 by 25. The unit is meter per second. They are asking when A finishes the race, then B is at what distance from the finishing line. Time taken for A to finish the race is equal to 22 seconds. So distance covered by B after 22 seconds is equal to speed of B into time taken, that is 22 seconds. This will be equal to speed of B is 200 by 25 into time taken is 22. This will be equal to 8 into 22, which is equal to 2 8 are 16, 8 2 are 16, 17. So distance covered by B will be 176 meter. That is when A reaches 200 meter, B will be reaching 176 meter. So the difference will be 24 meters. So B will be 24 meters behind A when the A reaches the end point. So the answer is A, 24 meters. Next question. A can run 1 kilometer in 3 minutes 10 seconds and B can cover the same distance in 3 minutes 20 seconds. By what distance can A beat B? That is a 1 kilometer distance. A reaches in 3 minutes 10 seconds. B reaches in 3 minutes 20 seconds. This will be equal to 3 minutes 10 seconds. In terms of seconds will be 3 into 60 plus 10, that is 180 seconds. And B will reach in 3 into 60 plus 20, 200 seconds. It means that A can beat B by 10 seconds. In 10 seconds, how much can B cover? Can B cover? So this is the answer. So this will be equal to speed of B into 10 seconds. Speed of B is nothing but 1 kilometer divided by 3 minutes 20 seconds. 3 minutes 20 seconds. We shall convert all the values to meter and seconds. This will be 1000 and this will be 3 into 60 plus 20, 200 seconds. This is equal to 5 meter per second. So we shall substitute the value 5 into 10. This will be meter per second and this will be second. So this is equal to 50 meter. So in 10 seconds, B can cover 50 meters. So the answer is B, 50 meters. So by the time A reaches, B will be 50 meters behind A. So A can beat B by 50 meters. The answer is B. Next question. In a 100-meter race for children, A runs at 2 meters per second. If A gives B a start of 4 meters and still beats him by 10 seconds, what is B speed? Okay. There is a 100-meter race. A gives B a start of 4 meters. So A is here, B is here. The distance between A and B is 4 meters at the start. And at the end, A reaches first and beats B by 10 seconds. Okay. They are asking what is the speed of B. Okay. Here the distance covered by A is equal to 100 meter and the speed of A. let this be lowercase a, this is equal to 2 meter per second. In the second case, distance travelled by B is equal to 96 meter. So it starts at 4 meters ahead and then reaches the end point. So the distance travelled by B is 96 meter, and the time taken by B is equal to time taken by A plus 10 seconds extra, because A has beaten B by 10 seconds. This is equal to time taken by A plus 10 seconds. The time taken by A is given by distance by A, which is equal to 100 by 2. This is equal to 50 seconds. So A has reached in 50 seconds, whereas B has reached 10 seconds late. It means 50 plus 10, which is equal to 60 seconds. Now they are asking what is B speed. So speed of B is equal to distance travelled by B divided by time taken by B. Distance travelled is 96 meter and the time taken is 60. So this will be equal to 9.6 by 6, which will be 1, 3 will be balanced, it will be 1.6. So the answer is 1.6 meter per second. Answer is C. I hope you have got the concept. So in the first case, B is 4 meter ahead of A, and during the end, A is ahead of B by 10 seconds. So accordingly, you have to calculate the total time taken for B and total distance covered by B. So then we will get the speed of B. Speed is nothing but distance by time taken. Okay. Next question. In a kilometer race, A beats B by 100 meters and B beats C by 150 meters. In the same race, by how many meters does A beat C? So in this case, we should not add this 100 and 150 and choose the answer D. Because, let us see, in the kilometer race, that is the total distance covered is 100 meters. A beats B by 100 meter. A will beat B by 100 meter. And after some time, once B reaches here, it will beat C by 150 meter. We cannot add these two values because when A is reaching, C will be somewhere behind. So the distances are not equal. They are proportional but not equal. So when A reaches, B will be behind A by 100 meters and C will be behind B by certain distance. But it is not equal to 150. Had it been 150, we could have directly chosen 100 plus 150, 250. Okay. In this case, we have to find out the distance separately. Okay. So distance travelled by A by distance travelled by B is equal to 1000 by 1000 minus 100. So when A reaches here, the distance travelled by A and distance travelled by B is given in this ratio, that is 1000 by 900. This represents the ratio of the distance travelled by A and B at a given time. Next, this will be equal to 1000 by 900. Similarly, distance travelled by B to distance travelled by C for a particular time is equal to 1000 by 1000 minus 150. This is equal to 1000 by 850. So they are asking by how many meters does A beat C. So let us calculate A by C. This is equal to A by B into B by C. This is 1000 by 900 into 1000 by 850. We can cancel the zeros. This will be equal to 1000 by 9 into 85. This is again 1000 by 5 9s are 45, 4, 9 8s are 72, 72 plus 4, 76. So this is equal to 1000 divided by 1000 minus 235. Okay. So it means that A by C is equal to 1000 by 1000 minus 235. So for the given time, when A reaches 1000 meters, C will be lagging behind by 235 meters. So it means that A beats C by 235 meters. The answer is B. I hope you have understood the concept here. Next question. In a kilometer race, A, B, C are three participants. A can give B a start of 50 meter and C a start of 69 meter. The start which B can allow C is, okay. So this is the track. A, B, C. So the distance between A and B is 50. This is possible because A can run faster and then cover at the same time. The distance between A and C is 69. The overall distance is 1000 meter. Okay. They are asking the start which can allow C in a 1000 meter race. So between B and the end point, the distance is 950 meter. So for 950, B can allow a start of 16 minus 50. So accordingly, we can calculate for 1000 meter race. Okay. Here the distance covered by A to B for 1000 meters is given by 1000 divided by B is 1000 minus 50. Similarly, distance covered by A to distance covered by C is given by 1000 divided by 1000 minus 69. This is equal to 1000 by 950 and this will be equal to 1000 by 931. Okay. If we divide this 1 and 2, we will get B by C. This is what is required, the start which B can allow C. So B by C will be equal to, we have to divide 2 by 1. Okay, because C is in the denominator. So this will be the numerator, 1000 by 931 into 1000 by 950. This will get cancelled. This is equal to 950 by 931. So it means that in a 950 meter race, B can give a start of 950 by 950 minus 19. So in a 950 meter race, B can give 19 meter to C. Therefore, in a 1000 meter race, B can give 1000 into 19 by 950. This will be 5 times and this will be 20. In 1 kilometer race, B can give C 20 meters. So the answer is D. Okay, we shall solve few problems in the next lecture. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.